Hey, this is Greg from Fit for Expedition. Heading over to my friend Bill Reed's auto shop. It's called Aztech Auto. I got my 1959 Ford Galaxy over there and working on getting it back on the road. It's got it needs a battery. It's got some carburetor issues. I think that was the original reason why I parked it. Spent the last maybe week and a half flushing the gas tank out repeatedly. I didn't think that would be that exciting of video, so I didn't film it. But we're gonna go over to the shop and I gotta get a battery for it, and they're gonna be working on that carburetor and we'll get that thing running. Playing original.
There's nothing original. Every chord's been played. Every note's been played.
But you've never, you don't have any original music at all, or?
One time I was playing that and I thought I came up with it, but I'm sure it's been done.
I think the biggest problem with this car is this antenna. That's probably really what needs to be fixed.
That's the aerodynamics.
Yeah. I think I tried to get that off and it was all rusted on there and I couldn't get it off or something. Yeah. Just had to take a grinder to it or something underneath.
What'd you try and get out?
This, I think it was rusted on the bottom. Like probably now I just break it free. But.
Well, I know what the green days are. I was just wondering why the
What's the matter? You just dipping your cheese in it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's not good. You're probably going to need a master cylinder. Oh, we got to get it running first.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was just curious, like, take a picture of it.
Yeah. That's some gooby gone right there.
Need to look right straight down.
So you don't like that? You don't think it's in impeccable shape?
You got to run first. If you can't go, you have no need to stop.
Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, I can tell that looks bad. And I don't know anything, you know? Yeah, I don't think it needs to be changed.
No.
I think they're both pretty much the same.
They're perfect. No worries at all. Good to go.
So you're gonna replace them anyway, even though it doesn't need it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Rust free.
Here we go. Really?
What's that?
That's why I like to run off a gas can. Look at all that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's pretty brown, huh?
Pretty nasty. Maybe. Smell that nasty stuff?
Running on its own.
For a minute.
Or 10 seconds.
Plenty of fuel in there now. More gas. More gas.
It's running.
Running.
Oh, it was running. Get a real close up. Look at that.
Yeah, what not to do. See that thing's a little bit of run time. It's already almost gone through a quart of gas already.
Well. What's up?
It ain't picking up all the things.
Oh.
It's looking better. See it?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Well, it's running on its own. Didn't sound too bad either. But I guess it's not pulling gas from the tank very well yet. It's been pouring gas from the carburetor to keep it going. And that was the original problem that I was having with it when I tried to get this going a couple of years back. Yeah, where are you gonna find him?
I want you to work on your own car.
Where are you gonna find him? Hey, thanks for joining us here at Fit for X Video. Give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel and you like to subscribe, maybe you're new here, you haven't seen any of our videos before, but you liked it, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want to get notifications of new videos as they come up, just ring that little bell. This is a 1 pound, little 1 pound dumbbell. Hey, and also share this with your friends if you think they'd like it. And once again, thanks for joining us at Fit for Expedition.